Hi, I'm Dean from Fireward and we're here today at Thalia to see why they chose the leading automatic fire suppression systems from Fireward to protect their assets, particularly this Bomag BC973 behind me, to avoid costly breakdowns and downtime as a result of fire. So good afternoon, Andrew. Who are Thalia?
Thalia Waste Management company that operate at Ward Beach in Cambridgeshire that treat Cambridgeshire's waste.
What machines do you currently run?
We have a wide range of different machines like this Bomag BC973 behind me with the Fireward suppression system.
So what are the benefits of having a Fireward fire suppression system?
Quick and easy dousing of the fire, particularly on the landfill as you can see behind us. Stops spread of fire, stops costly damage to equipment and keeps us everyone safe, which is the main part of it.
And how did you find the installation?
It's quick and easy, very easy to deal with.
As you can see with the Fireward system, we have the dry nozzles and we have the wet nozzles. The dry powder kills the fire instantly, knocks it back straight away. We use the wet to cool the engine superheated components to prevent a reflash. So it's only used on the exhaust, the DPF, the manifold, the turbo, and across the top of the engine to keep the temperature down in the event of a fire and the system activates. We at Fireward believe that everybody should go home safe, and in every environment where waste and recycling is the importance, as are the people that work there. That's why Fireward is the leading fire suppression system for the waste and recycling market.